Alright, this is my tippmann after I put all the stuff on it. Like, it already had the egrip. Well, I just finished putting in the stock and the barrel. And I said that it came with the Warrior standard remote, and it was supposed to, but they gave me a Ninja standard. So instead of getting a $20 one, I got a $30 one, which is good. And I'll just do a little bit of, well, first I'll show you everything detailed. 6-point collapsible stock. Still breaking in. It's going to take a little while. Has mounting rails. You can take those off. I'm actually going to do that. And then just the normal feed neck. If I can get it. There we go. Normal feed neck. And then on the BT, or not the BT, this is the lapco Apex. 12-inch big shot. 6.9 for the 98. You can see you can spin it and everything. And right now you can just barely see the ramp. You'll probably kind of see it as white, but it's black. And let's see if I can scoot it up with one hand. I can't get it. Oh, there we go. And I can probably see it even better. I can't do it with one hand. So anyways, and right now it's positioned, I just put the letters on top. What that means, when I put the ramp down, the ball will go down. And then I turn it to the left. So the little switch is facing to the left. The ball would go to the right. Now the ball will go to the right, to the left. Wait, yeah, it'll go to the left. And now the ball will go up. Well, right now it'll go straight either way because of where the switch is at the very back. But if I was gonna move it like there or all the way, now the ball would go down. So it's pretty awesome. And there's like 6 or 7 or 8 positions for this, all just little clicks. It's cool. So I'll just do some solenoid. If I can find it. Alright, so it's on semi. I think it always resets. Yeah, it's on semi. Now it's going to be on 3-round burst. And then this is what I'm probably going to use. It is the full auto, mode 3 semi, and then full auto. And then there's also auto response, where you have to ramp up to it, I think. Auto response, and then the last mode is Millennium. Still haven't figured out how to change the balls per second. The speed, I actually didn't even know how to change the firing modes. I was just messing with it to see what I could do without reading the manual. And I figured out that when you push the button, it changes modes. So that's my tippmann. Oh yeah, and I'll also show you all the stuff that came with in the big package I got. 20-ounce CO2 tank manual. It actually didn't come with a manual for the E-trigger, so I had to go on the internet and look at it. The NFC pod pack that I got, I bought this separately. Stock barrel, tools, grease, the original back cap, a really big barrel socket, fits over the apex, a crappy $15 Extreme Rage mask. It's actually really uncomfortable. I hate it. I've worn it for like 30 seconds now. So gravity hopper, a squeegee that came with the Tippmann, the remote. It's a quick disconnect Ninja. It's like $30 or something. I got all this off ANS Gear, just so you know. And then 8 Gen X clover pods, 2 Extreme Rage battle swabs, and then also the Apex came with a lapco sticker, and the Ninja came with a Ninja sticker, and then all the normal stickers it comes with, and plenty of clip stuff for sale, and death stick stuff. And then the crappy Gen X Global pack that came with doesn't even fit me. You can only wear it if you're like massively obese. So that's just the stuff I got. Oh, and also, if you're buying anything from me, I saved all the packing peanuts, so you're gonna get all those